Greetings, salutations, ninjani bakwethu. On my side, all is well. Guys, we are living through very interesting times, Very interesting times. I'm sure you guys are following the case, the legal battles between the African National Congress and the Umkhonto weSizwe political party. You know, the legal battle that started last week. It started last week at the electoral court, and the judgment was released yesterday when the ANC lost that case. And that case was about the ANC attempting to get the MK party deregistered so it does not appear in the ballot paper, right? So the ANC lost that case. Today they are back in court, but now they're in the Durban High Court, where the ANC is accusing the MK party of stealing their symbols, the symbols being the color, the logo, and